everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. In today's tutorial, I used the Morphe 35V palette. And first I went in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I just used this as an eyeshadow primer, so I just applied it all over my eyelid. And then I went in with a damp beauty sponge to blend everything out, and then I set everything with some translucent powder, and that just helps to blend eyeshadows a little bit easier. And then I went into this really neutral brown shade, and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions. And you don't have to be too precise with this shade because it is just going to be the background shade. And then next I picked up a defined angled brush, and I went in with this mustardy matte brown shade, and I just put that in my crease, really mapping out where I want to add depth. And I usually draw that line a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, it frames my eye socket nicely. And then I went back into that first brown shade that we went in with just to blend everything out to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And if you guys have been watching our channel for a while, you guys know that we love to layer our eyeshadows. So then now you see me going in with this deeper brown shade with a defined angled brush once again. And I just pretty much layered that shade right on top of the previous shade that we applied in our crease. And that's how I add depth in my crease and then blend it out. So I usually go in with the defined angled brush and then go in with a really fluffy brush, and then I go back and forth between the two just to get the depth that I want but the blendedness that I want. And then I went back into that matte brown shade and I just packed that all over my outer lid. And then going back into the Too Faced concealer, I wanted to clean up the inner part of the lid just to bring back that sharpness and cleanness on the lid, and I really love how it turned out. I usually set it in place with translucent powder so that the concealer doesn't crease up in my crease. And then I went in with the Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow in the shade Slinky, which is this really beautiful iridescent silver shade. And I just packed that all over my lid, and I love how it is kind of like a medium dark colored eyeshadow, but the iridescence is so bright that it almost looks like a pigment, and I absolutely love that about all of their Block Party eyeshadows. And for lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes, and for those of you guys that don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand, and the style that I went in with is Bora Bora, so definitely check out the link in the description box down below if you guys want to support our lash brand. And then I went into that first transition shade that I used in my crease, and I put that all over my lower lashes. And then I went in with the deeper brown shade that we used in our crease as well, just to really add definition, and I put that really close to my lash line. And then I went back into that first transition shade once again just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I can't believe that we're already at 124,000 subscribers. You guys are honestly the reason why we are where we are, so we are so grateful. And yeah, thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.